हाय गाइस, इट्स श्रिया हियर एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल ब्यूटी एंड द कोड। आज के वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ मेरा परफ्यूम का जो कैबिनेट है वो रीऑर्गेनाइज करने वाली हूँ. सो आई हैव परचेज सम स्टेयरकेस लेवल kind of like organizers, which I'll show you in a while. So these are the organizers which are like staircase pattern. I got these from Amazon and मैंने सोचा कि मैं अपना जो परफ्यूम ऑर्गेनाइज कर रही हूँ इस कैबिनेट में आई विल यूज़ दिस फॉर डिस्प्लेइंग द परफ्यूम्स इन अ बेटर वे, क्योंकि थोड़ा स्टेयरकेस पैटर्न में रहेगा, हाइट के हिसाब से रहेंगे तो मुझे इजीली दिखेंगे एंड थोड़ा बहुत मुझे रीअरेंज भी करना है परफ्यूम्स को यहाँ पर. So let's get started. I have around, I think there are around 150 perfumes that you're seeing here. So I will count also कि how many perfumes are here. These are all the perfumes which I have bought and I am yet to review it on my channel. तो ऊपर रखे हुए हैं boxes के साथ. And these are the ones जिनका review हो चुका है. And let's see how many I have and let's organize the perfumes with you today. This may be a long video. I will try to edit and make it smaller, and also जो insignificant repetitive process होगा उसको भी मैं forward करने को try करूँगी, but I want you to take you through the organization. So let's get started. मैं थोड़ा close-up आपको दिखाऊंगी to show you the situation. And yeah, if you're majorly interested in perfume content, then make sure that you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. So before I do the reorganization, just wanted to give you a close-up. So this first shelf basically has all of my high-end perfumes right here. एंड ऐसे बहुत सारे परफ्यूम्स यहाँ पे आपको दिखेंगे जो अभी तक मैंने अपने चैनल पे आपको दिखाए नहीं है, बट ये मेरे सारे हाई एंड्स हैं. आई एम नॉट रियली श्योर इफ़ आई वांट टू रीऑर्गेनाइज दिस स्पेस ऑल्सो. हालांकि अब मैं स्टेयरकेस पैटर्न लेके आ गई हूँ तो आई थिंक आई शुड मेक यूज़ ऑफ दैट इंस्टेड ऑफ द लेजी सुजन. सो लेट्स ट्राई दैट आउट. मैं ये रिमूव करूँगी एंड फिर मैं अपने पूरे हाई एंड परफ्यूम्स यहाँ पे अरेंज करूँगी. देन यहाँ पे काफ़ी क्लटर है. हालांकि मैंने बिन्स में रखा हुआ है, ये ट्रांसपेरेंट बिन्स में, पर तब भी बहुत अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड है. थोड़ा बहुत मैंने कैटेगरी वाइज रखने को ट्राई किया था. सो दिस वाज लाइक द फ्रेश फ्लोरल्स. ये थोड़े से फ्रूटी थे. फिर जो नहीं आ रहे थे वो मैं एक दूसरे पे रखना स्टार्ट कर दिया यहाँ पे. सॉरी अबाउट द मेस दैट आई हैव क्रिएटेड हियर. देन अगेन ये मैसी सिचुएशन है, क्या बोलूँ मैं. देन यहाँ पे नीचे मोस्ट ऑफ माई मिडल ईस्टर्न परफ्यूम्स आर सिटिंग हियर एंड ये भी काफ़ी केओटिक सिचुएशन ही है टू बी ऑनेस्ट. तो इसे भी क्लीन करने का बहुत ज़रूरत है. एंड प्रॉबली आई थिंक ब्रांड वाइज रखने की जगह मुझे ना कैटेगरी वाइज रख देना चाहिए इज़ वॉट आई एम थिंकिंग. मैंने हाँ, हो सकता है फ्रेग्रेंस नोट्स के हिसाब से रखूँ तो शायद बेटर होगा, बट आई एम लाइक रियली कन्फ्यूज हाउ एंड व्हाट टू डू. एंड नीचे मैंने कुछ फ्रूटी फ्रेग्रेंसेस निकाल के रखे हुए हैं. ये भी एक लेजी सुजन है. मुझे एक्सेस करने में ईजी हो जाता है जब ये ऐसे रहता है, तो इसको भी मैं देखूँगी इफ़ आई कैन यूज़ द स्टेयरकेस. सो ये ओवरऑल हालत है मेरे परफ्यूम कैबिनेट का. एंड लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विथ रीऑर्गेनाइजिंग. सबसे पहले मैं सब कुछ रिमूव करने वाली हूँ एंड उसके बाद मैं थोड़ा सा क्लीन करूँगी कैबिनेट को अंदर से, एक थोड़ा कपड़ा वगैरह मार के क्लीन करूँगी एंड देन आई विल स्टार्ट विद द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. सो लेट्स बिगिन. फोकसिंग ऑन दिस कैबिन. Okay, so I kind of like the way the staircase is making the perfumes look, because now they are more accessible. I can definitely see what is where, and even approaching any perfume without hassle. I think this is a good approach to go for. So here is a glimpse of all of my high-end perfumes. I have Elisab, Scandal, again Elisab. Elisab is one of my favorite brands. Paco Rabanne, then some Jimmy Choo, Pepe Jeans, some Prada Candy, and yes, I have two pink sugar perfumes with me, Aquilina Pink Sugar. Um, I'm a huge fan of that perfume. My Lieb is sitting right here, and Alien, both EDT, EDP. I'm very lucky to have the older formula, like the original formulation. So my Alien perfume is very potent, but I'm only left with Itna. So I'm like using it with a lot of Kanjusi. All right. So I think this is a good one. I just want to keep all my perfume strips also here, so that when I am doing my videos and picking out perfumes, I will remember to kind of pick out my testing strips as well. So I'll see if I want to keep them here, or behind if I want to keep it on a rack or something. So now let's tackle this area. This is a very difficult one to go with. Let's see how we do here. To keep all of my Zara perfumes यहाँ साइड में, क्योंकि लंबी बॉटल है एंड पतली बॉटल है, तो यहाँ पे अच्छे से फिट हो जाएगा. और इस एरिया में मैं सोच रही हूँ कि स्टेयरकेस लगा देती हूँ. सबसे पहले मैं अपने फ्रेश परफ्यूम कैटेगरी रखना चाहती हूँ. द रीज़न बीइंग कि फ्रेश परफ्यूम्स मैं कम यूज़ करती हूँ, तो थोड़े फ्रेश फ्लोरल्स पीछे की तरफ रख रही हूँ. ये तो बस ख़त्म ही होने आ गया है. एक्चुअली इनमें से जो मुझे यूज़ करके ख़त्म करने हैं ना, मैं उनको निकाल देती हूँ. जैसे ये वाला है, काफ़ी दिन से रखा हुआ है मेरे पास, अब आधा बॉटल बचा है. मैं इसको यूज़ करके ख़त्म करना चाहती हूँ, तो मैं थोड़ा एक फ़िल्टर भी कर लेती हूँ परफ्यूम्स को. Okay, so somehow I have managed to fit in a lot of perfumes in the second shelf as well. Just going to show you now. This is how the second shelf is looking. A lot less cluttered, but again very less perfumes than what they were earlier here. So I don't know how I'm going to adjust the remaining in the other two shelves out there. But here is the gist. All the Zaras are sitting right here. Then the broader bottles, the bigger bottles in front. Then as you can see, some freshies here. Freshies and fresh florals are kind of together. And this is pretty much all the summer fragrances, freshy categories present right here. Now I will tackle this drawer right here. Trust me, that was very difficult because I have so many perfumes. I really didn't know where to fit in. So I thought I'll put it based on category and all. But then the shape and sizes of each of the bottle is so different. I just could not manage, to sort of fit in properly. Whatever could fit into the space, I just put it in. So here's shelf now. Right. So lot of Middle Eastern fragrances right here, bundled up, and I think they're still accessible for me. And I have kind of marked a lot of them for sort of, considering to use up completely. So I'm kind of like arranging all the perfumes here in this tray. These are all the perfumes that I want to finish. So yeah. Okay, so now only this last shelf is left, which again has like a Lazy Susan here so that I could select any of the perfumes that I wanted to. All my fruity perfumes are kept here. I'm thinking to replace the Lazy Susan also with the staircase pattern only, and I will move this tray to this section, and I will keep my perfume of the week here, so that I can use them up based on like month or week or something like that, like plan a little better. I like this tray as well, like I wanted to use this one only to keep my perfumes, but kind of confused. Okay, so this is how the last shelf also looks like. It's kind of organized now, I feel. And everything kind of looks beautiful. I need to stand up to show you the final display. So, guys, this is how the organization looks like. Uh, Starting right from the bottom, I have all my fruity perfumes right there. And these are also the perfumes that I want to finish, so they are here more accessible. Then as we go up, I have most of my Middle Eastern fragrances right here. Then I have fresh and floral fragrances, right? And then I have my high-end perfumes sitting right on top. And this side I have some perfume oils, or my ethers are all kept here. So these are all my ethers, as you can see. Okay, and this is the tray where I'm going to keep some of my weekly perfumes that I want to kind of use up in a particular week or keep. So yeah, I'm going to keep them right here. And I'm thinking that I have this box from Paris Corner. When soul gets high, I'm just going to open this box and use this box to store my perfume strips. Bit here. And these are all of my perfume strips. So kind of like reusing and upcycling the original box. Yeah, I think this looks pretty decent now. What do you guys think? So guys, that brings us to the end of the video. I hope that you enjoyed watching this organizing and reorganizing with me. And I usually don't do these kind of videos on my channel, but I thought, why not? I'll just show you guys the real picture and storage of how my perfumes are, because many of you did ask me as to how I'm storing my perfumes. So this is the cabinet that I've been storing my perfumes into. And I intend to keep only उतने ही perfumes जितने इस cabinet में आ जाएं. So I am trying to not over purchase, and if I'm purchasing 2 new perfumes, I'm trying to select 2 perfumes from my existing collection and finish them up, so that I maintain the balance. The count almost came to around 183, excluding the perfume ethers. So 183 is a lot, and I definitely need to reduce, and I'm certainly working towards it. Anyways, that brings us to the end of the video. If you like the content, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and I'm gonna see you very, very soon in my next video. Bye.